Online schooling is no longer limited to colleges and universities. Children in Pennsylvania have been attending cyber charter schools for almost 20 years. Much of the public is still unclear about what exactly cyber charter schools are. This video will explore the top ways in which cyber charter schools are similar to and different from your local district school. Hi, I'm Laura Afshari, and today we are talking about the top 3 similarities and differences between cyber charter schools and your local school district. I've been teaching at PA Virtual for 13 years, and before that I taught in my local district for 8 years, so I've had experiences with both. One of the most common questions we hear is, how much does it cost to attend a cyber charter school? Like your local district, cyber charters are also public schools, meaning there's no tuition cost to attend. Because both types of schools are public, they must meet the requirements of the State Department of Education. Both cyber charter schools and your local school district are required to participate in standardized testing, log student attendance, and collect mandatory health forms. Like your local school district, cyber charter schools employ state-certified teachers to deliver instruction. Like myself, many cyber charter school teachers have previously taught in the traditional brick-and-mortar setting. Cyber charter school teachers create lesson plans, instruct students directly in live online classes, and provide academic oversight to all students. There's a misconception that cyber charter school students do not get the opportunity to socialize, that they just sit in front of the computer all day. This is simply not true. Like your local school district, cyber charter schools organize field trips that give students a chance to build friendships outside of class. Cyber charter schools offer clubs, and in high school, important live events like graduation and prom. Some differences. Parent involvement is critical to the success of students in cyber charter schools. Parents are not only there to supervise their child, but to help them understand concepts and help explain assignments when their child is not in class. Because parents are so involved in the cyber charter model, parents can quickly tell when their child is struggling in a specific subject and can reach out to a child's teacher directly for help. In the cyber charter school model, you can see what your child is doing and know exactly what they are learning in class. This allows you to provide one-on-one support when your child needs it. Though we have them, there is no need to wait for parent-teacher conferences to address any issues. In the cyber charter model, you are in control of your child's learning environment from the safety of your own home. This limits the social distractions that occur naturally in the traditional school setting. Imagine what it would be like to not have to rush from one class to another or spend an hour on the school bus each day. The convenience of schooling online from home adds hours back into your child's day, allowing them to get schoolwork done earlier and give them more time for extracurricular activities. Cyber charter school students generally have more flexibility in regards to the planning of their schedule. At PA Virtual, families can choose for their children to attend live online classes known as synchronous classes, or have a customized schedule in a self-directed environment supervised by teachers known as asynchronous classes. Families can choose what path is better suited to their child's needs. Learn more about what PA Virtual can offer to you tuition-free at one of our online open houses. Click the link in the description below to RSVP.